Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a little lesson going over the concepts of repeated addition being multiplication and how we can apply that to our knowledge of fractions. So we have talked about how multiplication is repeated addition. For example, we know that saying 2 times 3 equals 6 is the same thing as saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Another example is we know the same thing is 8 times 4 is equal to 32. We could also just say 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 32. This is information we know, and we need to take this knowledge and apply it to fractions. So what I can also say is with my knowledge that 1/2 is equal to 3/6, I want to think about how I got that 3/6. In the previous lesson, we found out that 1/2 is equal to 3/6 by decomposing a tape diagram. Originally, we had a tape diagram that was broken into halves, so there were 2 equal parts, and that's where we got our fraction 1/2. After we decomposed by adding more lines to create equal sections or equal groups, giving us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same amount was still shaded in. So we saw that there was 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. What I want us to focus on today is instead of thinking about 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equaling that 1/2, I want us to think about multiplication. This will help our brains as mathematicians thinking more efficiently and getting that job done a bit quicker. So we can look here, and instead of saying that 1/2 is equal to 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, I can turn this information into a new statement. I can say 1/6 times 3 is equal to 3/6. I can see that because I originally got my 1/6 from the value of the tape diagram, and then with how many were shaded in, that's where I got my times 3. This is going to be a key component to understanding Module 5, Lesson 5. So please always rewatch this video if you need help understanding the concept to repeated addition being multiplication. Okay? See you guys later.